สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. It's Pam here and today let's make this lovely Thai traditional dessert, bua loi or rice balls and sweet coconut milk. There are two elements to work on here, the rice balls and sweet coconut mixture. Let's go through the first part together. Right here are the mandatory ingredients, sticky rice flour or some might be labeled as glutinous rice flour, same thing. I'm not sure if glutinous rice flour from different countries will be different or not. If you know, you can tell me in a comment, but just to be sure, I grabbed the one that is imported from Thailand. Tapioca starch and warm water. Now these are the options for the colors. It can be from beetroots, taro, butterfly pea flowers, the juices. Also write down the alternative natural colors in the description so you can check it out. For yellow color, I use pumpkin. Pinkish purple will be from the sweet potato. And the green color will be from pandan leaves. Okay, cut these into small pieces. Now we're gonna steam the pumpkin and sweet potato. I'll show you how to get the color from pandan leaves real soon. So let these two steam for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're soft. These small pieces pandan leaves, we can either pound with a mortar and pestle, which we're gonna bruise them really good, then add the hot water. Or if you have a small blender, add about 1/3 cup of hot water and blend. Then rinse through a colander. Now we get the green. Let's make the dough. Add a half cup glutinous rice flour into the mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon tapioca starch. Gradually add warm water, a little bit by bit, and combine the flour until it becomes a really nice and soft dough. If it's too dry, slowly add more warm water. If it's too wet, then you can add more flour. This is my white color one, so smooth and satisfying when squeezed. Rest the dough on a plate or a bowl. Don't forget to cover with a towel or a plastic wrap sheet to prevent it from drying out. Now the green dough from pandan leaves juice, same ratio, a half cup glutinous rice flour, 1 teaspoon tapioca starch, slowly pouring the juice and can add more warm water if it's too dry. Green color is done. Pumpkin and sweet potato will share the same method. They already have some water content, so we might not need warm water. Add a half cup of steamed pumpkin. Combine them nicely. And now we get 4 lovely colors. Dust some flour on a bowl or tray. Then roll them into small little balls. And during doing this, don't forget to cover the rest of the dough with a towel. We don't want them to dry out. At this part, you can call your kids, your wife, your husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, anyone to help you do it to speed up the process and share a good time together. Since the dough has the same texture with the Play-Doh, go on with the creativity and make them into any shape you like if you want, which in my case I make some into small flowers. Cute! Shake the rice balls in the flour time to time to prevent them from sticking to each other. Aw, so colorful. Now we're gonna cook them, boiling water in a pot, quite a lot of water, and then put all of the rice balls in. Next to the pot, prepare a bowl of cold water. It will take just about a couple minutes or shorter than that until they're cooked. Once they're cooked, they will float on the surface. Remove them with a colander and rest them in a bowl of cold water to stop the cooking process or dry out. Now part 2, sweet coconut mixture. It's gonna be very quick and easy. So we need coconut milk, water, salt, palm or coconut sugar, and this is optional but highly recommended, pandan leaves. It's the leaves that we use a lot in Thai cuisine, especially desserts. Comparing to the Western cuisine, it works like vanilla. I was lucky they're available at Thai grocery this time, but if you really can't find it, don't worry, it'll turn out great without them as well. Shave the palm sugar into small pieces so they'll dissolve easier. I'm using only 100 grams here, it's already sweet enough for me. Normally other people might add 120 to 160 grams to this ratio, so I'll tell you when to add more if you want it a little sweeter. Put them in a pot. Pour 400 ml coconut milk in it. 200 ml of water. I'll get the most coconut milk out of the can. 1 teaspoon of salt. Pandan leaves. Tie a couple of them into a knot, like this. I'm using 4 of them, and we'll add these leaves later. Let's move to the stove. On medium heat here, we don't want to bring it to boiling hot, otherwise it can be thickened up. We want to keep it quite creamy but still watery. Now we want to stir time to time until the palm sugar dissolves. Then add the pandan leaves. Stir a bit to let the essence comes out. And now taste. Oh, it's totally sweet enough for me, but after you taste and you want it sweeter, you can add more sugar this time. And then we're gonna put the rice balls into the coconut milk mixture to let them absorb the sweetness, but it's not mandatory. You can also just pour the coconut milk on top later in a bowl as well if you want, but if you're doing it like me, wait until the rice balls float again. This is why we called it bua loi. Bua means lotus in Thai and loi means to float. These rice balls look like lotus seeds and they're floating. So bua and loi, straightforward meaning. It's gonna be very soft and chewy. The texture is kind of like mochi, Japanese dessert if you're familiar with. Ready to serve, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and find it easy to follow. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell button if you haven't yet. See you again next recipes. Love you guys. สวัสดีค่ะ